Pour baking soda into your bed and watch what happens next. When we realize the hidden dirt that mattresses have, we do not expect more to realize this incredible solution. Maybe we do not want to admit it, or we just do not think about it, but the mattresses are full of germs and dirt. We will teach you how to clean it as easily as possible. We are accustomed only to changing the sheets of the bed, and to washing them, and our whole life we have thought that this is sufficient. We think that the mattress is clean, because only the bed sheet was dirty. However, after a long time, our mattress becomes a source of dirt. The particles of sweat, body fluids, dust and dirt pass through the leaves of the savanna and end up in the mattress. It takes a long time for the mattress to get dirty. Rarely do some of us clean the mattress. How to clean a mattress? First, clean it with a vacuum cleaner, and then sprinkle the mattress with baking soda. This simple but effective trick is to disinfect the mattress in which you sleep. Baking soda will kill the bacteria, then vacuum the dust, and then you can spray the mattress with water to which a few drops of an essential oil has been added so that it has a pleasant smell. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a